All right, Carolina Metal Masters. You can see that my new side mirror kit has come. These are the stanchions right here. We'll open this up. We'll take a look at them. Then we got the Allen bolts and the knots to hold them, or the nuts to hold them on. So gonna open these up and take a look at them, and then we'll go install them. Okay, nice product here. Look at that, huh? There's the stanchions right there. These are the Allen bolts. That goes through the end right here into the back of the mirror. These are the nuts. The nuts have gaskets on them, O-rings. Really, really high quality. Close up at the nuts, you can see the gasket. Everything fits so nice. I'm going to grab a little STL. Then we will assemble the mirror onto the stanchion. And then they'll be in the go position to put on the hand grips downstairs on the Jeep. Okay, you can see I got some STL on the bolts. That's how they go. So that'll fit right in there. I got my Allen wrench. We'll tighten that up. And then I have some STL on the nuts that actually go through the handles. Just a one-time application. And that way the stuff comes off nice. There we go. All assembled nicely in a matter of minutes. You can use a Phillips screwdriver, and if you want more tension on the mirror adjustment, you just tighten those 3 screws. This will go right through the handle. Really happy with this product. I've had them for years. Lost my passenger one a few weeks ago at Colebrook. Figured it was time for a nice new set, so we're going to go through these on the Jeep. Okay, you can see Carolina Metal Masters makes a couple hand grips. This is the brass knuckle style. I have the fronts. I have the rears. Interestingly enough, I could probably put these a set on the rear too if I wanted for passengers. But anyway, be that as it may, that nut will come off. It'll go right through that top hole. It's all gasketed nice. It's got a nice fine thread. It'll tighten up really well. Okay, there you have it. Good looking mirror. Go to the passenger side. There you go. If you have a passenger, and now that I have an extra set, really all I got to do is get a piece of glass cut for the other side. But really happy with these. Nice product. A lot of times I don't run with the front doors, so you got to have some side mirrors. And I know they make a variety of different mirrors for the hinge or the A-pillar. These have always just worked really nice for me. Plus it gives you the 1-inch ram mount right here. If you wanted to mount a bracket and have a GoPro right here, you could. Look at that. It's just really nice quality. Real nice mirror kit. How much? I think they were like 120. Carolina Metal Masters sells them in 4-inch or 5. These are the 5. And I think for just under 200 now, they have another one that has basically like a detent. So it's got an extension piece that goes on that you can move and get more adjustment, because obviously if you can stick it out farther, then you can get maybe a better view of your rear fender. But these do the trick. I've used them on the trail many, many times. And as long as I don't hit trees, they'll last a lot of years. All right. Oh, just getting the compressor going. I backed it into the garage the other day. We got to air these tires up. I'm gonna take her for a ride.